how to post spotlight on Snapchat. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to learn how you can post spotlight on Snapchat. So if you didn't know earlier, there is a feature called spotlight on Snapchat where you can upload your favorite videos or the videos you want to make public. All you have to do is go ahead and press on the bottom right of the screen that says spotlight, and after you're there, go ahead and press the plus on the top right of the screen. After you press top right of the screen, there are multiple options. You can go ahead and press any video that you want to upload or just record a new one. If you press create, it allows you to create a new video for spotlight, and that is how you can post spotlight on Snapchat. If you got any other questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, and see you guys in the next one.